thing God did, one thing he did, he snaps when he made me. And sometimes you have to remind yourself. You have to remind yourself. The people in my life, they're going to remind me. But sometimes sometimes I just have to remind myself that God snapped when he made me. Today, I am 30. I made it to see 30. That is a blessing that not a lot of people get to see. 20s got a little rough, got a little ghetto. But my 20s blessed me. My 20s birthed a lot of things. It birthed businesses, ideas, my children, my relationship. Technically, that was from 19, but a lot happened in my 20s, a whole lot. And take all of the things that I learned in my 20s to really lay the foundation in my 30s. Because I deserve it. I deserve it. 30. That's crazy. We are getting ready to go to dinner. I've literally been getting my hair done for the last 5.5 hours. I don't know where we're going to dinner. Cole didn't ask me like specifically where I want to go to dinner, nor did he ask me what I wanted for my birthday this year. Is this proposal day? I don't know. Is it proposal day? It's probably not proposal day, but that would be real cute. Real cutesy. Let me go pick my kid up. Mama, see what you
A little blurry, but it's cute.
It'll work. I'm just trying to get a 30th birthday post. That's it. I'm like, picture girl. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. You all want flash or you prefer the
Without flash.
without? Okay. Hold on. Angles.
Baby girl, will you be my wife?
Got the one I wanted.
7, right?
I thought you was gonna do it, but I didn't think you was gonna do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
You did good. Thank you. Hello.
Yeah, hello, how are you?
Good. How are you?